Today, I'll show you how to draw in Adobe Acrobat, a handy skill that can enhance your PDF editing experience. Whether you're looking to annotate documents with hand-drawn notes or simply add a personal touch to your files, this guide will make it easy for you. Let's dive right in. First, open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. Once your document is open and ready, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find the All Tools menu. Click on it to reveal a variety of editing options. From this menu, select Add Comments. This selection opens up additional features, including tools that are perfect for drawing directly on your PDF. Now that you've opened the Add Comments section, it's time to find the Pencil tool, which is your main tool for drawing. Look towards the horizontal toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll notice a range of icons there, and among them is a small pencil icon. This is your pencil tool, which allows you to draw freehand anywhere on your PDF. Simply click on it to activate the tool. Once selected, you can start drawing directly on your document. You can use this tool to underline text, circle important sections, or simply doodle as you please. It's a versatile tool that offers a lot of creative freedom, perfect for annotating in a way that feels natural to you. But what if you make a mistake or want to refine your drawing? Adobe Acrobat makes this easy too with the eraser tool. Right next to the pencil icon, you'll find the eraser icon. This tool is incredibly useful for making precise adjustments to your drawings. When you click on the eraser, it allows you to remove specific parts of your drawing without having to delete the entire mark. This can be particularly helpful if you've drawn a complex shape or made a detailed annotation and just need to tweak a small section. You can go over your drawing, erasing as needed to achieve the perfect look. As you use the pencil and eraser tools, remember that practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and techniques to find what works best for you. If you ever need to start over or change your approach, you can always use the eraser tool to clear specific areas or even delete the entire drawing and begin again. In summary, drawing in Adobe Acrobat is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance how you interact with your PDF documents. By using the Add Comments feature, you gain access to both the pencil and eraser tools, allowing you to draw freely and edit your annotations with ease. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident about using Adobe Acrobat to draw and annotate your PDFs. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore Adobe's help resources or experiment within the program. Happy drawing and thanks for watching.